In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide stock quantity in WooCommerce. If you're managing a WooCommerce store and prefer not to display the exact number of items remaining in stock to your customers, you're in the right place. Showing stock quantities can sometimes create a sense of urgency, but there are times when you might want to avoid this for various reasons, like keeping inventory levels private or avoiding potential discouragement from low quantities. So, let's dive into how you can easily conceal this information on your site. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your WooCommerce settings. To do this, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu with various options. Find the one labeled WooCommerce. Hover over it or click to expand the submenu, then select Settings from the list. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust numerous aspects of your WooCommerce store. Now that you're on the settings page, you'll want to direct your attention to the tabs at the top. These tabs categorize different settings options you can adjust. For our task, click on the tab labeled Products. This is where you'll find all the settings related to the products you offer in your store. Within the Products section, look for the sub-tab called Inventory. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can manage your stock settings. This is your hub for handling everything related to inventory management, ensuring that your stock is managed efficiently and displayed in the way that best supports your business goals. Once you're on the inventory settings page, you'll see an array of options related to stock management. Here, we're looking for an option that specifically deals with displaying stock quantities to customers. Search for a checkbox that reads Display stock quantity remaining in stock. By default, this box may be checked, meaning that stock quantities are currently visible to all customers browsing your store. To hide the stock quantity, you'll need to uncheck this box. By doing so, you're preventing WooCommerce from showing the exact number of items left in stock, thereby enhancing your store's privacy or reducing the potential for negative perceptions related to low stock. Finally, and this is a crucial step, make sure to save your changes. You'll find the Save Changes button usually located at the bottom or top right of the page. Click on it to ensure all adjustments are stored and reflected immediately on your website. That's it. You have successfully configured WooCommerce to hide stock quantities, allowing you to maintain the store appearance that aligns best with your strategy. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.